Good morning. This is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of Southport, Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce. And today we are having the pleasure of talking with Savannah, a new business owner here in town at Nonnie's Baking Company.
Yes, ma'am.
Savannah, hi.
Hi.
Tell me a little bit about Nonnie's.
So we have just begun the process of opening the doors, but we have been trying to do construction for a while. We are super excited to finally open the doors to the public. We're going to be offering wedding cakes and custom birthday cakes, and then we'll have our storefront items like cupcakes and cookies, Rice Krispie treats, and things like that for individual sale.
So your grand opening is this weekend?
Yes, ma'am. It is this Saturday. It's from 9 to 2. And if you guys want to come out and see us, we're at 1517 North Howe Street, Suite 5 in Southport.
And I'm going to just pan over here and see how adorable this place is. I mean, it is just perfect. It's got some great coloring. Definitely a wedding tasting place, definitely for cakes and baked goods. I think you had one already today?
Yes, I did. I had a wedding tasting earlier today, yes, ma'am.
That's great. And so you specialize in weddings, birthdays, special occasion cakes, and
Custom
then
cakes, yes,
custom
ma'am.
cakes. So just come on out and support this small business, Nonnie's
Yes, ma'am. Nonnie's
Baking Company. And you are again at,
We are at 1517 North Howe Street, Suite 5 in Southport.
and your website.
It is www.nonniesbakingco.com.
All right. Well, thank you so much and congratulations, and we wish you many years of success.
Thank you.